Over 1 million cars are stolen in the United States every single year. And here's the uncomfortable truth. The same technology designed to make modern cars safer has actually made them easier to steal. In this video, I'm exposing 17 real-world scams and techniques used by professional car thieves. These aren't movie tricks. These scams work because they exploit ignorance, trust, greed, and routine. But don't worry, for every scam, I'll show you exactly how to stop it. And stay until the end, because the final scam was so dangerous, it nearly cost Fiat Chrysler over $2.5 billion and put drivers' lives at risk. Let's start with a scam so quiet, most victims don't realize they're being targeted until it's too late. Scam number 17. Apple AirTags and Bluetooth tracking devices. Have you ever discovered a random Bluetooth device, like an Apple AirTag, hidden somewhere in your car? If that happens, it's not good luck. It's the beginning of a nightmare. That's exactly what happened to a couple in Florida. One night, just after midnight, armed criminals showed up at their home and robbed them of everything they owned. How did the thieves know where to find them? They had secretly taped an Apple AirTag under the rear bumper of their SUV. And this isn't rare anymore. People across the country are reporting AirTags and Bluetooth trackers hidden under seats, inside glove compartments, in trunk liners, behind license plates, even inside gas caps. These devices allow criminals to track your movements for days, learning your routine, where you live, and when you're most vulnerable. How to stop it? Wash your car regularly. Clean it inside and out. While doing so, look for anything unfamiliar. If you find a tracker, do not bring it home. Remove it, place it far away, and contact police immediately. But how do these trackers get there in the first place? The next scam explains one method. Scam number 16. Parking lot key jamming. You park your car. You walk away. You press the lock button. That means your car is locked, right? Wrong. Nearby, a criminal is using a key signal jammer, a device that blocks the signal between your key fob and your car. Your car never locks, even though it appears to. Once you're gone, the thief simply opens the door and helps themselves, or steals the entire vehicle. This technology is incredibly common. In the UK, 40% of car thefts involved key jammers. In London, that number jumped to 60%. These devices cost as little as $60. How to stop it? Always lock your car while standing next to it. Pull the handle. Double check. If your key fob suddenly feels unreliable in public spaces, assume someone nearby is jamming your signal. And if you think that's unsettling, the next scam works while you're asleep at home. Scam number 15. Keyless relay attacks. 65% of stolen vehicles are taken from their owner's home, not parking lots, not dark alleys. Your driveway. Keyless relay attacks use two devices. One criminal stands near your house and captures the signal from your key fob, usually stored near the front door. The second criminal relays that signal to the car, tricking it into thinking the key is present. No broken windows, no alarms, no signs of forced entry. Your car is simply gone. These devices were once rare and expensive. Today, some cost under $100. How to stop it? Store your keys in a Faraday pouch. They block radio signals. Keep keys away from doors and windows. Better yet, use both. But even if you defeat high-tech thieves, old-school methods still work disturbingly well. Scam number 14. Slim Jim / lockout tools. This method has been used in millions of car thefts. A Slim Jim is a thin metal strip that slides between the window and door seal to manually unlock a car. It costs less than $4 and takes minutes to learn. Any vehicle with manual locks is vulnerable. Once inside, thieves either steal valuables or combine this with another method to steal the car entirely. How to stop it? Install an alarm system. Use a steering wheel lock. Add visible deterrents like dash cams. Thieves want speed and silence. Anything that slows them down often sends them elsewhere, because the next scam doesn't even require stealing your car, just disabling your recovery tools. Scam number 13. GPS, jamming and tracker blocking. GPS trackers help recover stolen vehicles until criminals jam them. A GPS jammer overwhelms the tracker's signal, making your car appear stationary while it's being driven away. These devices are illegal, yet still sold online for around $1,500. How to stop it? Use non-GPS tracking, like VHF systems, which cannot be jammed. Some recovered vehicles worth hundreds of thousands of dollars this way. You can also install multiple trackers, including ones that alert you the moment jamming is detected. But sometimes, thieves don't need tech at all, just access. Scam number 12. Spare key theft. Nearly 90% of stolen cars in some regions are taken without forced entry. One common method: spare key theft. Valets, mechanics, oil changes, car washes. A dishonest employee copies your key and your key code, then quietly learns your address from registration documents left inside the car. That's how trackers get planted. That's how homes get robbed. How to stop it? Use trusted service providers only. Ask if key codes are stored. Never leave identification documents in your car. Install alarms, trackers, and dash cams. And later, I'll reveal another keyless scam that nearly destroyed an automaker. Scam number 11. Code grabbers. Ever had your alarm go off randomly? That wasn't a raccoon. A code grabber captures the signal from your key fob without preventing the car from locking. Later, the thief replays the signal and unlocks your car like they own it. These used to be spy tech. Now, they're sold online. How to stop it? If your alarm behaves strangely, investigate. Lock your car manually when possible. Rolling code fobs help, but vigilance is your best defense. Now let's talk about scams that exploit human kindness. Scam number 10. Fake antifreeze leak. The Good Samaritan. A stranger points out colorful liquid under your car. They warn you your engine could overheat and fail. Then they fix a problem they created, usually by loosening the radiator cap, and charge hundreds on the spot. This scam targets young drivers, women, and the elderly. How to stop it? Never open your hood for strangers. Trust your temperature gauge. If there's no warning light, drive away and inspect later. And kindness isn't the only emotion scammers exploit. Scam number 9. Windshield money trap. A $100 bill under your windshield wiper. You jump out, engine running. The money is fake. Your car is real. And it's gone. How to stop it? Drive away slowly. Stop later in a safe area. Call police if suspicious. Next up, hacking your car from the inside. Scam number 8. OBD. Port hacking. Once inside your car, thieves plug a device into the OBD port and reprogram the ECU, cloning keys in under a minute. How to stop it? Use immobilizers that lock the OBD port when the engine is off. But sometimes, thieves don't even need to break in. Scam number 7. Fake tow trucks, official logos, uniforms, clipboards. Your car disappears in plain sight. How to stop it? Dash cams with motion detection, trackers, verify tow trucks by calling dispatch. Always insist on your destination. And if you think that's bad, scam number 6. VIN cloning. Your car legally exists twice. Debt collectors show up. Registration fails. Insurance collapses. How to stop it? Check VINs carefully. Run history reports. Use title monitoring services. Now we move into advanced electronic theft. Scam number 5. CAN injection attacks. Thieves access wiring through headlights, inject commands, unlock and start the car. Tools cost thousands, but pay for themselves fast. How to stop it? Cloud-backed dash cams, secure parking, ECU protection. Next, scams that prey on desperation. Scam number 4. Test drive theft. Fake buyers, fake documents, one-way test drive. How to stop it? Always ride along. Verify IDs, meet publicly. Scam number 3. Fake buyer/cashier's check. Scam. The check clears until it doesn't. You lose the car. You owe the bank. Insurance won't help. How to stop it? Cash checks at the issuing bank before handing over keys. Now for the hack that shook the auto industry. Scam number 2. Zero-day vehicle hacks. Security researchers remotely hacked Jeep vehicles, controlling brakes, locks, and steering. Fiat Chrysler recalled 1.4 million vehicles and paid millions in fines. Some vulnerabilities still exist. And finally, scam number 1. Coin in the door handle. A coin prevents the door from locking silently. Thieves may already be watching you. How to stop it? If you see this, call police immediately. Always double-check locks. Now you've seen how car theft really works. Not smash and grab. Strategy, patience, and technology. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Most victims did nothing wrong. They just didn't know. But now you do. If even one of these scams felt familiar, don't ignore it. Small changes today can save you tens of thousands tomorrow, like this video, so more drivers see it before it's too late. Subscribe. The next video shows how thieves follow victims home and what stops them instantly. Share this with one person you care about, because one message could prevent a lifetime of regret. Stay safe, stay alert, stay unpredictable, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.